Hello viewer, are you facing cannot share Instagram Reels or no user found when trying to share Reels with your friends? Let's see how to solve this. Open your phone setting, scroll down and find out apps. Go to apps. Now search Instagram. Go to Instagram app. Now scroll down and click on storage. Now clear cache data from lower right corner. Now go back to your home screen. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Instagram app. From here, update your Instagram app to latest version. Open your Instagram app. Click on your profile icon. Now go to 3 line. Now scroll down and find out help. Click on help. Now report a problem. Now click on report problem. From here you can include your no user found screenshot, then continue. In this report box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, no user found when I trying to share Instagram Reels with my friends. Please solve this problem as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. So follow all of this step to fix Instagram no user found when trying to share Reels with your friends.